All right, folks, thank you for joining me. My name is Nestor. I'm here at Chivari.com, and I've got some great and new exciting products to share with you. This is just a sampling of some of our resin folding chairs. These are some of our most popular chairs, and we're excited because, they're very popular. You guys love these chairs, but we've added some new and exciting colors. And you guys have been so excited about some of our new recent additions that we've expanded some of those as well. So give me just a second, let's go through them. All right, first, check out these new colors. This is our black onyx, also known as silver onyx, and it's got a great new finish. It's got a nice shine and a sheen to it, and Corey, our photographer, is doing a great job to show what the details are on this chair. It's a great new custom color that you really won't find out there. It's our black/silver onyx color on a resin folding chair. Now, in addition to that, we've got our gold or bullion gold chair with a matching gold cushion. It's got kind of a little bit of sparkles on the cushion itself and a beautiful gold finish. This is a great chair. It's going to look wonderful at a variety of different events. Gold has been a popular color for us for some time with our Chivari line of chairs. Now we've added gold to our resin folding chairs. But we didn't stop there. Here's our new silver resin folding chair with matching silver cushion. This is going to be a great chair. Silver, just like gold, has been another popular color. It's going to be a great chair for a variety of high-end events. And then, of course, we have our white resin folding chairs. This is one of our top sellers. We'll get back to this one in just a second. Let's talk about our wood grain folding chairs. So we added these last year, and they've been incredibly popular, but we're adding some new lineup. So this is our wood grain in chestnut, we have it in natural, we have our new black wood grain resin folding chair. This is a great finish. Corey's gonna zoom in. You see the wood grain. You know, the beauty about these chairs, they get you all the benefits of resin, meaning they won't rot, they're not gonna get mildewy and get all rotten like wood can happen if you leave it outside in the rain. But it has that same beautiful wood grain finish. So you get all the beauty of wood and all the benefits and durability of resin. It's great, and you guys have responded incredibly well to these. These have been incredibly hot sellers. So we've added the new black wood grain finish. We have our fruitwood, now with an ivory seat in addition to a tan seat. And I'm gonna show you this new one. This is our white wood grain resin folding chair. So you'll see here, it's a little bit tight because white it's a very bright white, but you'll see it's got that texture, the wood grain finish here, along the sides, along the seat, all the components have wood grain embedded in there. So if you want a different white resin folding chair, check out our white wood grain resin folding chair. It's a great new addition. Now, we didn't stop there. Keep expanding and adding some more. Check out this new clear resin folding chair. It's absolutely clear that you can have it naked. It comes with and ships with a silver cushion that adheres with an adhesive in the back. So it's another gorgeous addition to our lineup of resin folding chairs. Folks, look, we have the largest selections of premium resin folding chairs in the market. Our goal is to make you happy, get you the different options and choices that will make your event stand out. We ask you to just shop us today at Chivari.com. We've got them available for you. We've got great prices, and best of all, they're all in stock, ready to ship right away. Give us a call or visit us at Chivari.com. Thank you.